My name is Sydney Waters, and this is my final project for my new media production class. So what I intended to do was design a closet app where users could customize the categories and the items of clothes in those categories so that it'd be easier for them to sort what they wear. I encountered a lot of issues along the way just because SwiftUI is still in beta, so obviously there were a lot of things I was trying to do that either were not very easy to do or were not able to be implemented in the current version of SwiftUI. So first of all, we have the categories page, and in the categories page, there's different sections of clothing that you can have. This addition button is supposed to be able to enter a new category, but obviously we can't yet because what I discovered is that there's actually not a feasible and intuitive way to implement a text field in an alert or an action sheet, both of which I tried. So for now we can just hit cancel and we can fake it, which is a button I added just kind of for fun, to where you would see that the list is being populated with, a list is able to be populated with more categories, and these are just the same categories that are up here. I just chose random ones to be added on. But now if you click and go into each category, they have some placeholder items, obviously just so I can have something to show. There are two addition buttons because once again I was trying to figure out a way that I could simply display what the app is intended to do. This one is intended to pull up an action sheet, and then each category obviously has its own placeholders for now. So with that, I'm going to show you a little bit of the code. A lot of the things that I learned for this project were design based, and also why it takes small creators months to build an app. I learned about the list view, which is something that was in our textbook, and I found it very helpful. This is just the code for the very front page. That pink color is actually a custom color, which is another thing. In this closet view, once it builds, so we'll see that we don't have any of the navigation options available on this subview. This is because the navigation view is actually held in the original content view file, and if you redeclare the view in the second file, it will cause a doubling up of the navigation bar items. I did not find a way to fix that to where I could keep the navigation view in this closet view. However, when I demoed the app, as you just saw, there's still the back button there. We just can't see it right now. Let's see. Another problem I encountered with my closet detail view, which is obviously what this is right here, is that you cannot actually pass an array into a different view. I had to pass the items one by one. So ideally in the future, when this language is updated or when a solution is found, I will be able to pass whole arrays instead of just individual items, which would make it way easier to display added items from the user. Let's see what else is there. So that's basically a majority of the project. And in the future, I would like to continue developing this app. I want to be able to obviously add actual customization, and I want to figure out how to add tags to these items, customizable tags to where users could sort by season or color or length of the item. So yeah, that's it for my project for now, and I hope you enjoyed it.